Hey guys, I am ready to do another giveaway for the month of January, so stay tuned and watch to the end. Okay, so this is going to be an embroidery kit giveaway. Got my coffee. My poor mug. So, first off, I want to tell you guys, those of you who entered the crochet giveaway that has all the ice yarns and the pattern book, I am going to also include one of my needle threaders because I promise you these things are awesome. I'll leave a link below if you're interested in checking out what this is and how to use it. I did a how-to video. I sell these in my shop, and you can either buy one, a set of two, or a set of three. But I'm going to be including this in the crochet giveaway. And I will also be, I got two of them. I'm also going to be including one in this embroidery kit giveaway. So, this can be done for, it's a pair of pillowcases. It's a Jan Lynn kit. It's called Cat Chats. It is so cute. Is that not the cutest? So what this is if you know anything about embroidery, or if you know about cross stitch, this is not counted cross stitch. It's not done on a grid. It is done printed. And it's color printed, color coded. This comes with, if I'm not mistaken, this does come with the, and there's the side of it. It's really cute. It's got little paw prints. I believe it is permanent ink. It's a stamped cross stitch. I called it embroidery because it is a type of embroidery, because it's not done on your traditional hold counted cross stitch. It's a stamped cross stitch. And I thought it came with, hang on, it comes with 2 poly cotton blend machine washable permanent ink pillowcases, approximately 20 by 10? No, 30 by 10, 26 by 10. I need glasses. I was looking to see, I think it's just the pillowcases. I don't think it's the, I don't think it comes with the thread. I think it's because it comes with the pattern too. I think it's because you can use any, you don't have to use DMC. You can actually use, hang on, Matt's going to say something. Oops, it didn't pause. All right, so back to what I was saying. Hobby Lobby has their, I think it's Artiste or Artistic threads, similar to DMC. You can use JB Coats, you can use Anchor, you can use any floss. You don't have to use DMC, but it's color coded and printed so that you could stitch on it. But it comes with 2 pillowcases, and like it said, the ink is permanent. And I am going to give you a needle threader with it, but I'm going to let you pick out your own thread since it doesn't come with it. But that's a pretty good deal. So yeah, so that's what you're going to get, a stamped cross stitch kit. But I'm going to count this as the other because I'm going to do a cross stitch, so you'll get this. So I'm going to do, and this will be open worldwide. I am going to do a cross stitch, actual counted cross stitch giveaway. It's going to be some patterns, and I will do that later. So anyway, so what you have to do to enter is you have to be a subscriber. These are for my subscribers. And this is for the this quarter's giveaway. I will show you this too. You need to give this a thumbs up, and I would like for you to share it. And in the comments, I want you to tell me where you shared it. It can be in an email, it can be on YouTube, it can be on Facebook, it can be Instagram, it can be Pinterest, it can be anywhere you want it to be. Just be honest about it and tell me where you shared it, or you can tell me who you shared it with. Just tell me, in an email, like I said, whatever. I am at $14.99. When I hit 1,500 subscribers, and I keep that for a whole month, if I do it in January, of course, we're going to have a giveaway the end of February. Instead of, like I said, every 3 months, every quarter, we're going to have 3 giveaways. But I will do a special giveaway if I hit 1,500 subscribers and I keep it for 30 days. I've said this last year, but I'm slowly going up in my channel again. For one of those giveaways for the 1,500, they're going to be bigger because that's a milestone for me, and I'm excited about it. So this will be in that giveaway when I hit 1,500 and keep it for a month. This does come with all the floss. It's a quilt. It comes with a thread. It comes with the pattern. It is a stamped kit. It's called Baby Hugs Precious Keepsakes by Sunset. It's an animal babies quilt. So yeah, so if I hit 1,500 subscribers and I keep it for 30 days, this will be one of the things that I will do in my giveaway. So keep that in mind. Because when I hit 1,500 subscribers and keep it for a while, that's huge for me. It's a milestone. It's great. I would like to keep it there for at least 30 days because I know after I do my giveaways, people leave if they didn't win. So that's what I want you to do. Please share this and just tell me in the description box where you shared it, and you will be entered in for this drawing. So yeah, hope you guys have a great day. I am going to be uploading this. After I upload this, I will go ahead and film for the regular cross stitch giveaway. The drawing is going to be the first weekend in February. So yeah, usually around the 2nd or the 3rd. I do not have a calendar here with me, but just know that we always do it that first week. Everybody's packages were mailed out. I did not hear from the last embroidery giveaway with the transfers. It had the floss, the embroidery ideas, and the transfers. I have it packaged and ready to go. And I did not hear from the person who won the cookbook. So I will be giving those away again the end of this month. Now, how I'm going to do that, I'm going to explain that in a different video. Yeah. That's what I'm going to do with unclaimed prizes. Yeah, I'll explain all that later. But anyway, so yeah. Good luck, everybody. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and being part of my life. As always, I love you guys so much.